This video tutorial I will cover at Autowired Annotation. Here I have defined the class address. It has three properties: city, state, and country. And it has address constructor which accept city, state, and country. Here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties: name and address. And in address property, I have applied at Autowired annotation. So address object will be created by Spring container and injected to employee. And at Autowired annotation, we can apply in field or constructor or setter method. And employee class has employee constructor which accept name, and it has display employee details method. To enable at Autowired, we have to register the Autowired Annotation BeanPostProcessor. We can do it in two ways. The first way is include annotation config, and the second way is include Autowired Annotation BeanPostProcessor, like this. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates address object and employee object. In address property of employee object, we have mentioned as at Autowired. So address object will be injected to employee object by Spring container. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container, and calling display employee details method. Here you can see the output, and here you can see the employee object. Here you can see address object is Autowired to employee object.